जो डरते हैं वो मरते हैं और जो लड़ते हैं वो जीतते हैं। हम करेंगे, लड़ेंगे, जीतेंगे। और जो कवर्डाइज है वो डरते हैं, हम डरते नहीं हैं। मिस्टर प्राइम मिनिस्टर, मिस्टर बिजी प्राइम मिनिस्टर, मिस्टर मन की बात प्राइम मिनिस्टर, what you want to finish me? Can you do it? Never and ever. They are behaving as autocrats. They are behaving more than Adolf Hitler and Mr. Stalin. Not Tamil Nadu Stalin, my friend. अब सबसे ज्यादा चीफ सेक्रेटरी जो बड़ा ब्यूरोक्रेट होता है उसको आप जस्ट बुला के लेते हैं। It never happens within these 74 years of our history. अब ये शर्म का बात है। They only mention the rule, one rule they quoted, 6 clause 1. That rule said that center and state detailed consultation should be there. But no detailed consultation is there. But it is just reverse. প্রতিশোধমূলক আচরণ এবং প্রতিশোধমূলক আচরণ ये है कि इतना निर्दय, इतना निर्मम प्राइम मिनिस्टर मैंने नहीं देखा, होम मिनिस्टर मैंने नहीं देखा। जो ममता को खिलाफ में है, इसी के लिए उसको चीफ सेक्रेटरी पर उसको ब्यूरोक्रेट्स को भी अटैक करने पड़ता है। दिस इज टू मच। ओनली पॉलिटिकल वेंडेटा वर्क्स। व्हाई यू डोंट लाइक ममता बनर्जी? दैट्स व्हाई। व्हाई यू आर डिफीटेड? दैट्स व्हाई। व्हाई यू नो दैट यू आर नोवेयर इन बंगाल? दैट्स व्हाई। डू यू थिंक दैट they should not respect the people's mandate? After my taking oath, within a day, they have got to saying violence, violence, violence. I have not seen any violence. There must be some evidence. They have gone, filed some writ petition for president rule. We came to know from the media. They have gone to National Human Rights Commission. They sent National Human Rights Commission. They sent central team, not for the purpose of COVID, but for the purpose of political vendetta to save the BJP from their inner fightings. And this is the blunder of the central government. Great blunder. They want to bulldoze the state government totally. They want to play only the political vendetta. Who has taken this decision? This is illegal, unconstitutional. And we do not know who are their political advisors. Maybe some political advisor, this prime minister and home minister. It's really danger for the country. And it is not only they are going to bulldoze the federal structure, they are going to the moral of the bureaucrats throughout the country. Please remember, if the top officer of the state, he gets this type of humiliation, insultation, the behavior after working full of life, dedicated full of his life for the government, for the public, and after that central government cannot force him to join government of India without his consent, or the consent is without the consent of the state government, the detailed consultation. What message Modi government is giving to the country? They want to create disaster for the federal structure. They want to damage the bureaucracy. Not only Alavan Bandyopadhyay, I thanks to him that he has taken his own decision before that. But why the chief secretary to SDO, SDO to BDO, the central government, whenever they will desire, they will call them. Are they the bonded labor? They are not. Central government cadre, we respect them. State government cadres we respect. You can call central pool cadres, but without state consultation you cannot. I can call also, there are so many Bengal cadres officers are working in the central government. If we confront like this, what will be the future of this country? Mr. Prime Minister, Mr. Busy Prime Minister, Mr. Man Ki Baat Prime Minister, what you want? What you want to finish me? Can you do it? Never and ever. Until and unless people give me the support, you cannot. Even I will appeal all the state government, all the opposition state government, and all the senior leaders of this country, and all the NGOs, all the intellectuals, all the political persons, all the IAS and IPS, please be together. And state service officer also, please be together and fight the battle. It is not only the battle of Alapan Bandyopadhyay. This battle is for all the bureaucracy, all the bureaucrats. Bureaucrats are afraid now. They cannot even ask them a question. Only two syndicate members, these two, whatever they can decide. That is the law. It is very unfortunate, unconstitutional, undermining the subvertive and all this. I cannot accept all this. Even nobody can accept all this. I don't understand. What is the reason? Only political accept the political vendetta? What is the reason? We will fight the battle, and our government is a pro-people government. We will work for the people. They cannot stop us to work for the COVID pandemic people. They cannot stop us to work for the cyclone affected peoples. And they cannot stop the bureaucrats to spend their life with dignity and honor. एक दिन उधर पछताते हबे. दिल्ली का लड्डू जो खाया वो भी पछताया, जो नहीं खाया वो भी पछताया. ज़्यादा खा लिया ना, इसी के लिए 7 साल में थोड़ा ज़्यादा हिम्मत बढ़ गया फेडरल स्ट्रक्चर को ख़त्म करने के लिए. हर स्टेट इसको नहीं मानेंगे. I will request all the chief minister and the chief secretary of the states and all the IS, IPS officers and the state cadres also, please be united and stand the battle and stand high and fight the battle where the mind is without fear and the head is held high. Fight the battle like this. ये होना नहीं चाहिए. इसी के लिए पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू, इसी के लिए बाबा साहेब अम्बेडकर ने कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में पूरा लक्ष्मण रेखा ठीक करके रखा. You know, Sarkaria Commission report to Supreme Court verdict. Everywhere, the state cadres, the state under the state government employees, the officers, they are being protected. Under the central government officers, employees, they are also protected. There is a Lakshman Rekha. Without consultation, it never happened. जयललिता का टाइम में, if I remember correctly, कुछ हुआ था, लेकिन सुप्रीम कोर्ट का verdict है. जो स्टेट गवर्नमेंट कंसल्टेशन नहीं करके नहीं कर सकता है. और इसमें डिटेल कंसल्टेशन ही नहीं हुआ, कुछ नहीं हुआ. जस्ट 48 आवर्स में एक लेटर देके बस जस्ट रिवर्स हो गया. तो इसको पॉलिटिकल वेंडेटा नहीं कहेगा तो क्या कहेगा? जस्टिस तो अब नहीं दे सकेगा. इनजस्टिस के लिए आप ब्यूरोक्रेसी को खत्म करने चाहता है क्या? डराने चाहता है? हम डरते नहीं, हम मरने के लिए तैयार है लेकिन हम डरते नहीं है. जो डरते हैं वो मरते हैं और जो लड़ते हैं वो जीतते हैं. हम करेंगे, लड़ेंगे, जीतेंगे. और जो कवर्डाइज है वो डरते हैं. हम डरते नहीं है. अभी सबको एक कट्टा होके उसको खिलाफ में आवाज उठाना चाहिए. Where is the national channels? Will you ask me the question? And will you ask the same question to Narendra Modi or Amit Shah? Please, they will feed some news to the media and don't, without cross checking, don't give it to the media like their publicity. Please cross check actual what is happening and what is wrong and what is right. It is a disaster that BJP government know they are totally failed to protect COVID, to protect Notbandi, to protect agricultural movement. They are totally failed. The economy has become total economic crisis. The country is facing, even so many countries they ban India because of COVID pandemic and all this. Narendra Modi never taken any decision to give free vaccine to the people. What we are asking from the beginning, even they are taking GST tax from the vaccines. And after that, when they are totally failed, they have nothing to do. They have only one work, that they are behaving just like a martial law. It is not a democratic country they are behaving. They are behaving as autocrats. They are behaving more than Adolf Hitler and Mr. Stalin. Not Tamil Nadu Stalin, my friends. West Bengal is strong enough, and West Bengal always, they believe that they are very strong. They always believe Rabindranath Tagore's quotation, where the mind is without fear and the head is held high. They act like this. They also believe Swami Vivekananda, who said weakness is strength and strength is life. So There is no weakness, it is our strength, that it is our moral victory. We never bow down our head. तो हम काम को कभी छोड़ते नहीं हैं. वो हमको तंग करते हैं उसको पॉलिटिकल पावर मिसयूज करके, लेकिन हम उसको तंग नहीं करेंगे, लेकिन हम काम नहीं छोड़ेंगे. उसको अंदाजा नहीं है हम लोगों को संबंध में. हम लोग स्ट्रगल से है, आंदोलन से है, और आंदोलन करते करते जिंदगी भर एक जिंदा लाश का माफिक मैंने आंदोलन किया जिंदगी में. इतना कोई पॉलिटिकल लोगों को मार नहीं मिला, पिटानी नहीं मिला जितना मेरे को पूरा शरीर में चोट है, लेकिन वो लेके भी हम काम करते हैं कि हमारा काम करने का हिम्मत है. और हम ये भी कहने चाहूँगी कि सार फारोसी का तमन्ना आज हमारा दिल में है. देखते हैं जोर किसका बाजुए का तिल में है. हम लड़ेंगे, हम जीतेंगे, हम जिएंगे. So this is absolutely pre-planned and planted. It is a pre-planned. They started all these spreading rumor, not rumor, spreading news through some ministers. Even the law minister, sometimes he is out of law. He acted just like a out of law minister. There should be one creation of new ministry. They are suffering from insecurity, and bureaucrats have become their, I do not know. Sometimes they think that only BJP people are the they are the superhuman, and all other peoples are just like, sometimes, what I will say, if I say bonded labor, then you may take it otherwise, bureaucrat may take it otherwise, I should not. I have a greater respect for them. But they think that whatever we can do against the bureaucrats, they will digest everything. It is better word. Digest everything. Because they are the employees. And they are working under the state government and the central government. So whatever they will say, they are bound to accept this. I think no. Now there must be end of tolerance. It is too much. If it is too much, then you will see the too much reaction of the bureaucracy also. My full solidarity is with the bureaucracy. It is totally disrespect, insultation, humiliation, and what not. Instead of giving the respect, instead of giving the honor, instead of giving the courage to the bureaucrats, they do the jobs. We give the bhashan. But when time comes to switch their political vendetta, they give bhashan, and bureaucrats only will supply the ration. That is not done. So, I think I have finished. Do you have any reply for that?